2024 is wrapping up, and if you're worried about where to put your money in 2025, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the mindset of one of the most influential investors of our time, Robert Kiyosaki. From starting with nothing to building a multi-million-dollar empire, Kiyosaki has seen it all. His lessons aren't just theory, they're forged in the real world through wins and losses. Stay with me until the end to hear his #1 investment strategy for 2025. It's a game changer, especially if you're just starting or feel stuck in your financial journey. Chapter 1: The Early Failures That Built His Success. Before becoming the best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki faced financial disasters. One of the most notable was his first business, a company producing nylon Velcro wallets in the 1970s. Initially, the wallets were a massive hit, appearing in surf shops and even high-end stores. But Kiyosaki ignored critical business fundamentals like cash flow and reinvestment strategies, leading to bankruptcy within a few years. Instead of letting this failure define him, Kiyosaki used it as a springboard. He immersed himself in learning about wealth creation, inspired by the contrasting advice of his two dads, his highly educated but financially struggling biological father and his best friend's father, who was a wealthy entrepreneur. Key takeaway: failure isn't the end, it's the tuition fee for success.
The size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire and how you handle disappointment along the way.
Chapter 2: Navigating the Financial Storm of 2024. In his recent interviews, Kiyosaki describes 2024 as a year of financial reckoning. With global economies experiencing rising interest rates, inflation, and political unrest, he emphasizes the importance of financial education, now more than ever. Kiyosaki highlights two specific areas of focus. Hard assets, gold and silver, remain his top picks. He explains that these commodities are safe havens during economic instability. Example: Kiyosaki increased his gold holdings in 2023 after predicting a prolonged period of inflation, which has since proven accurate. Real estate with cash flow: unlike speculative investments, rental properties generate consistent income regardless of market fluctuations. Key takeaway: focus on assets that offer protection and growth.
Gold and silver are God's money. They've been around forever. Cash is trash if it's not working for you.
Chapter 3: The Power of Passive Income. Passive income is central to Kiyosaki's philosophy. In the 1980s, he bought his first rental property, a single-family home in Hawaii. The income covered his mortgage and left him with extra cash each month. This experience reinforced his belief in letting money work for him rather than working for money. Kiyosaki often contrasts passive income with earned income from a 9-to-5 job, which he considers a trap for most people. Instead, he advises building streams of passive income through real estate rentals, dividend-paying stocks, royalties from intellectual property like books or courses. Key takeaway: start small, but always aim for multiple income streams.
Financial freedom comes from passive income, not a bigger paycheck.
Chapter 4: Mistakes to Avoid as an Investor. Kiyosaki often warns about common pitfalls that prevent people from achieving financial success. These include speculation over strategy, chasing trends like meme stocks or crypto without understanding them. Example: during the 2021 cryptocurrency boom, Kiyosaki bought Bitcoin, but only as part of a broader portfolio strategy. He cautions against putting everything into volatile assets, ignoring cash flow. Many investors buy properties or stocks for their potential appreciation, but forget about generating steady income. Not diversifying. Relying on one income source is risky. Kiyosaki himself has real estate, stocks, and precious metals in his portfolio. Key takeaway: build a plan, stick to it, and avoid get-rich-quick schemes.
Investing is a plan, not a gamble. If you treat it like the lottery, don't be surprised when you lose.
Chapter 5: Advice for Beginners. Where to start? For those new to investing, Kiyosaki recommends starting with financial education. He often says that knowledge is the most important asset you can acquire. Steps for beginners: read books. Start with Rich Dad, Poor Dad or similar financial education books. Start small. Even $100 can be invested in stocks or savings. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of taking action, no matter how small. Leverage debt smartly. Use good debt like a mortgage on a rental property to build wealth, but avoid bad debt like credit cards. Key takeaway: you don't need to be wealthy to start, but you need to start to become wealthy.
The moment you decide to take control of your finances is the moment your financial future begins.
Chapter 6: Predictions for 2025, Opportunities in Crisis. Looking ahead, Kiyosaki predicts significant opportunities in 2025 due to ongoing economic challenges. His advice includes gold and Bitcoin. These assets may thrive as fiat currencies weaken. Energy investments, renewable energy and traditional energy sectors are poised for growth. Distressed real estate. Recessions often lead to undervalued properties that can be long-term cash generators. His bold prediction: the biggest winners in 2025 will be those who are patient and prepared to buy when others are selling in panic. Key takeaway: prepare now for the opportunities ahead.
In every crisis, there's an opportunity for those who are prepared.
Chapter 7: The Future of Financial Education. As technology evolves, Kiyosaki sees financial education entering a new era. He is a vocal advocate for using online resources, virtual mentorship, and even AI tools to enhance one's financial literacy. Kiyosaki predicts that in 2025, platforms offering affordable or free financial education will dominate the landscape. He encourages people to embrace these modern tools while being cautious of misinformation. For instance, blockchain-based courses. The decentralized nature of blockchain can offer secure, transparent certifications for financial courses. AI advisors. AI tools can provide personalized investment insights, but they should be used as a supplement, not a replacement, for personal research. Global networking. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of connecting with like-minded individuals through virtual communities to exchange ideas and strategies. Key takeaway: the future belongs to those who continuously learn and adapt. Financial literacy is no longer confined to books. It's an ever-evolving skill set accessible through technology.
Education is the foundation of wealth. If you stop learning, you start losing.
Robert Kiyosaki's life is proof that financial success isn't about luck. It's about learning, acting, and persevering. His advice for 2025 is clear. Prepare, educate yourself, and focus on building real, sustainable wealth. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more insights from top financial minds. Don't miss our next video. It might just hold the key to your financial breakthrough. See you next time.